Today I'm going to show you how to use an FTP client known as FileZilla to transfer files to your Linux Fusion website here at DataYard. First thing you got to do is go find FileZilla, and if you just go to Google and you look for FileZilla.com, you will find it. It is free open source software. You can download the FileZilla client. You don't need the server. This is only if you're going to run one. But you can download the FileZilla client for your operating system, and it will auto-detect. I've already got it installed, so I'm not going to need to install this right now. So you go to, let's say after you've installed FileZilla, you go run it, and it's not, of course, going to have any clients configured right yet. You're not going to have any connections configured. So you're going to have to come in here to the site manager, and the way to do that is this little server icons here. And let's do a new site, and I'm just going to call this one, I have a Fusion website called non-XPS, so I'm going to call this site non-XPS. I'm going to use the file transfer protocol, and the host. Now this is important. The host for Fusion websites is the following, and you have to use this: cluster01.webhost.donet.com, and use explicit FTP over TLS available. Logon is going to be normal, and my username, this will be given to you when you create your account. Don't use my username, this is just for me, nonxps.com. And my password, of course, is pretty long and cumbersome, and you're not going to be able to see it, is that. And I'm going to say OK. Now if I come back here and click on that, I'm going to see my non-XPS website available there. So let's double click it. That'll actually launch it, get connected. If you get a warning about not supporting FTP over TLS, just say OK and connect anyway. And here we are. All of your web content is going to want to be in the www directory. And I actually have an image over here called brain.jpg. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to just throw that into, you just drag and drop files into the window and you can transport them up. And there's my brain.jpg. I'm going to come back over here into Firefox, and I'm going to go to https nonxps.com brain.jpg, and if I've done everything right, this should come right up. And there it is. So I've transported the file up, and now I can view it. Now if I were to go and delete this, right click on that and delete it. If I come back here now and try to refresh, it should give me a broken link. So that is how you FTP files using FileZilla. It's how you set up your connection, and how you can actually test out whether or not your uploads work with your Linux Fusion website at datayard.us.